Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your caller ID name on the T-Mobile app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your caller ID name on the T-Mobile app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Manage. Now from here, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on the gear icon. Next, from here, you want to go ahead and click on Device Settings. Once you click on Device Settings, click on Caller ID Name. And then on this option here on the left-hand side, you see some blurred out information. But on the right-hand side, that's where you could actually go ahead and edit the name and change the caller ID name. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your caller ID name on the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.